Our mind has power to help us or sabotage us in our path towards our goals. Keep watching to discover how to upgrade your mindset to achieve success. Happy present moment! Welcome to this channel. For those who don't know me, I'm your hostess, Jeanette Salvatierra. Thanks for stopping by, and please consider joining our community by subscribing to the channel. We share here information and inspiration to support mature, aspiring business people achieve their goals in business and in personal life. There are many approaches to upgrade your current mindset to one where success comes naturally, but there is no magic trick or formula for immediate transformation. Sorry for disappointing you. Only through your willingness to do the work with patience and perseverance, you will change your mindset and start seeing results in your path to success, whatever the definition of success you may have. Good news are that by consistently performing the activities we describe next, we are going to start to achieve or see results in a matter of days. 30 days, 60 days, 90 days. It all depends on your commitment with this change process and the current state of your mentality of limitation, scarcity, or lack of autonomy. As I said, there are many approaches to change your mindset for success. I'll share here the one I prefer based on my research and the results with clients and on myself. Okay? There are seven elements in this model. And I will describe each one and how to achieve the transformation in each element. Ready? Okay. The first element for upgrading your mindset to success is embracing discomfort. Nobody likes troubles, failures, losses, or feelings of sadness or fear. These situations and emotions are uncomfortable, but they are part of life. Embracing discomfort means accept life, situation, peoples, even feelings as they are. Don't try to push back, deny, or keep trapped in suffering. The idea is to act to overcome the discomfort in a healing, proactive fashion. How to do it? First of all, being grateful, being alive, able to think and act to solve the situation is a very effective start point to clear your mind, energize yourself, and open up to positive change. Then be curious and creative. Ask yourself questions such as, what can I do differently? Look for information, reading books, asking for support from experts, share with friends, colleagues, and loved ones, asking for their opinions and support. And move. Create a new project, a new product, a process to solve the original problem. Also, move your body. Exercise, dance if you like, and think with others to find a solution. The second element for upgrading your mindset to success is healthy conflict. This is the kind of conflict that leads to innovation in business and growth. The idea is to manage any difference in opinions, even external conflict, with the respect to others and trust in their good faith. No hidden agendas or opaque actions or communications. Examples of healthy conflict are debates, competitive strategies, and innovations that create market disruptions. To manage conflict in a healthy way, both individual attitudes and organizational culture might incorporate the values of respect and trust and enforce them. How to do it? Well, first, with clear definition of company values and teams, and leading by example those values by business owners and managers of the teams. Respect for people, open, assertive communication with active listening, and maintaining the focus of the discussions on the search for the solution. The solution may or may not please everyone. It doesn't matter. The solution must be one that truly resolves the original problem with less collateral damage and leaving team members at least comfortable, able to continue coexisting with the new situation. Healthy conflict may be that little final touch you need to starting innovation, leaving your comfort zone en route to success. The third element for upgrading your mindset to success is time management. Time is the only non-renewable resource and one crucial to succeed. Managing strategically your time allows us to not only achieve our goals, but also keep physical and mental health. We'll need almost an entire series of videos on this topic to cover all what there is to learn about how to manage time strategically. However, I'll share with you the basics, which are goal definition and activity organization. It starts by identifying objectives, goals, and priorities for the time period you are going to organize. Then define the activities, resources, and skills, own skills or skills from other people that you will need to develop or accomplish the task or activities. Then, for organizational of those activities, you can use any technology you prefer. Pen and paper, the classic notebook, a whiteboard, a calendar application, a digital collaboration software, or a project management tool. All depends on your team size, your budget, and your own preference. Then start performing the activities, reviewing periodically the progress towards your goals, as well as the time management process itself. You may need to adjust variables, tools, etc. Try to keep simplicity, being flexible to changes during the execution. Remember that to include in your schedule time for the human bare necessities, eating, resting, and other personal activities. Well, there are 4 more elements in this approach, which I'll describe in another video. Then I also share the what and the how. These elements are perspective, remediation, aspirations, and motivation. I'd like to thank you for supporting my work by watching this video to the end. Also, my gratitude goes to all followers and also occasional viewers that leave us comments with suggestions for improvement, words of encouragement, and ideas for new content. This means the world for me and my team. This is what we do. To help and support you through content that is useful, relevant to the subject you care about, and through your likes, share, comments, and views, we learn about your preferences and the topics you need we cover to serve you in your path to happiness and success. For now, blessings for you and your business. Thanks again, and see you soon in an upcoming episode of Jeanette Salvatierra TV.